8 o'clock, our movers came and they were amazing. They also packed for us, which cost extra. So the actual move cost 4,500 shekels. We checked with a bunch of movers and they were all that cost. And I wanted someone that would also pack. So packing was 35 per box, capped at 3,000.
This is all the extra toys that I found.
And there's a bottle also on the table.
What do you mean?
There's a kid's bottle.
Toys.
Zanika, Ken. Hey, my screwdriver! Found it.
Oh, is this garbage?
Yeah, garbage.
Okay, this I want to keep. Keep. That's how you could. I'm gonna take a drink. It's almost 3 o'clock.
4.
Sorry, it's almost 4. Mashehaya. We put away our pantry stuff. Okay, put away our dairy dishes. Okay, things are coming along slowly. We did about 40 boxes, 50 boxes. Okay, we finished with this box. Mom, you're still working at 8:30?
Yes, I am. Till 8:30 in the morning if I have to.
We have about 15 boxes left out of 90.
But they're the hardest.
They're the hardest ones.
Because they're the miscellaneous.
The miscellaneous.
And there's nowhere to put them.
Here we did a great job. We put away all the books. We put away a lot of their clothes here. And we have their beds set up for them. And in the girls' room, we did a lot of work. We have a games box that we have to figure out where to put that. We have another box with more games. And we set up their beds here. And we put away a lot of their clothes. Ayla, did you see your drawer?
Yeah, see, my drawers are white here. Look, these are my shorts and my chatzayot. And my garment.
It's really organized, no?
These are my pants and also my chatzayit also. This is Yael's, my sister. And this is my shoes.
Wow. You like your new room?
Yeah. Because it's only good.
Room has, I think, the most work tomorrow. We'll have about 5 boxes here to go through. And we did a lot in this extra room. Wow, we went through, we put all the stuff away here. Toilet paper and camping gear, suitcases. And here we have to set up his office. We're gonna have a little computer here for Natan or for me when we want to use. So this is a little Amir Peset. So let's go to bed. It's exhausting. So it's 12:30 Monday. We've gotten through a lot of the boxes. We have a lot of organizing to do. We have 2 computer boxes left to do. And what else? These were all the boxes that had all the books. Still have 2 boxes to go through here. Here, I think we did the most work. We have no boxes left here, right?
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Oh, we have their shoes. Each kid has their shoes. Yeah, and here we have 3 more boxes of miscellaneous. So I'd say we have about 8 boxes left. Sorry, 10 boxes left. We put away Natan's stuff. We put away my clothes over here. We put it away. We have this dresser. I might switch this dresser to something taller here, but that's what we have for now.
Do you wear ties anymore?
Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, okay, so a lot of my mitpachot and stuff.
That's good. That could be folded.
Okay, great. Okay, another one bites the dust. Great, and this is going to be going on. The extra stuff we're giving away. And garbage. We have a lot of garbage coming out. Okay, Grandma.
Farewell.
Thank you so much, Mary Poppins.
I'm happy to help. That's funny. She understood. See ya.
Bye, sweetie. So we got rid of all the boxes. It's still a dump here. Someone's gonna come collect all the boxes. Someone already collected some of the boxes. So he took about 30 boxes. So someone's gonna take more boxes. We got all their stuff organized. My mother did amazing work. And our room is a little bit messy still, but no boxes. I have a few memorabilia stuff to go through on my bed. So it's Tuesday morning and we finally got rid of the boxes. We gave them away. 3 separate people came to pick them up. A lot of people are moving now. So we're finally feeling like a home. It just feels like a little bit messy. Maybe after a big Shabbos with a lot of guests. I'm just gonna tidy the house, and we still have some small things I bought today. I want to show you. I bought some things from the store. These are for the doors so that they don't slam, because the kids' doors are slamming. So I bought 2 of these, and also the closet in their room is stopping. So he told me to just stick this, and then it makes it so it doesn't slam. So I'm gonna try doing that. And we have our door. For this, we bought some tape. So thank you so much for watching our journey with our family of 6 moving apartments. If you're moving anytime soon, good luck. I'm wishing you the best and easy move and lots of mazel in your new house. Shalom, and I hope to see you in the next video. When is the mitzvah going to be ready?
Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.